After hearing from customers over the years, if you were to ask me, are we in the beauty business? I would probably tell you no. I would tell you no because we are truly in the liberation business. For years now, we have liberated women and men alike through the frustration and the agony of dealing with a dry, itchy scalp or just simply dealing with scalp irritation. What I will tell you is that this journey has not been easy. Oh goodness. It has been filled with ups and downs, long days, long nights, and even blood, sweat, and tears. But is it worth it? Absolutely, it's so worth it. It's so worth it to hear from customers that says that our solutions, our products, are the only non-medicated products that have helped them through their time of need. It is so worth it to hear a nurse who's been in the field for 8 years share that our solutions gave her patients, her cancer patients, the confidence, the joy, the relief that she needed while going through her treatment. It's so worth it to know that we're serving patients and customers with effective products that are truly driving human impact. Simply put, is it worth to do what we do? Absolutely. Because the stories truly fuel our passion. It truly builds our tenacity to innovate. More importantly, this journey teaches us, every one of us on the team, to count our blessings. And so why does Canviiy exist? Canviiy is here to liberate the world, one scalp at a time.